Hey guys,
it's Ken
and Han, and here we are, your favorite YouTubers ever, for another video. I know you've been anticipating this one for a long time, so get ready.
Drum roll.
We're just doing a haul. We said we weren't gonna buy anything, and then we did, so here we are. We have a couple things from today and just over the last couple weeks that we have gotten, so we're gonna show you.
Yep. I love watching videos where people genuinely show like kind of new cool things. Some of the hauls are pretty standard,
Right?
but we have stuff from Forever 21, Amazon, Target,
H&M,
Skims,
yeah,
Dick's, like
Bath and Body Works. Bath and Body Works. Anybody Bath and Body Works?
Yep. Okay, so should we do Forever 21 first?
Yeah, we'll do the biggest one first.
I got 6 things.
I got 6, I think. So we both got these yellow shorts. They're like the little like cloth.
We're both good.
Those little like cloth casual shorts. They have cute back pockets and some like cute stitching on the front, and they were on sale for $7. So
We tried them on and they're really cute.
they're really cute. At least I've been trying to do more color in my like summer wardrobe. So I don't know about you, and I really like them honestly. And then did you get? Yeah, we got the same. We had the same ones in different colors. I got pink, and she got white.
I love the little pockets on the back.
You guys, these are so cute. The camera, I don't even know if it's doing it justice. I can't tell, but
they're like the terry cloth material,
yeah,
which I know is a little trendy, but
they're
for
cute and comfy. They were all $7.
You can't beat it. And I like because you could dress them up with like a cute crop top or a flowy shirt,
or you could just wear it cash to like the
or
beach
you
or
can
pool or whatever.
Yeah, so it was much needed.
Yeah. So then we both got, I swear we're not like those friends that get the same shit.
We are.
We both got this blue tank top, crop top. What material is this? It's like an elevated version of a bathing suit.
Yeah, it's like a buttery,
it's so spandex
material. It reminds me of my Aritzia bodysuit.
Yeah. Yes.
But it just fits so right. Even
so
though we wear the
soft.
same size, we wear it differently.
Right.
And the fact that we could both wear something like a basic like this, and it looks good on both of us.
Good.
It's pretty good. They had it in blue, white, and black. So we both got it in blue.
We both got it in blue, and then I got it in black because I genuinely don't have a lot of black, and Kenna has a ton.
I got it in white and fell in love.
Yeah.
It was gorgeous. Those were like 13.
Yeah. So good deals. On the other crop top note, I got one more. This high neck situation. It's like a ribbed material. I don't know if you can see that, but it's just simple. It's basic. It was $10. So
the next thing I got, all of their dresses were 30% off.
Oh, were they?
Yeah. It's this little kind of like silk slip dress. I don't think you can see it, but it's got this like green.
It's like a tie
pattern. But I like it because I love the cow neck, and then this bar in the front, like
I didn't love it at first, but then when I looked at it, I was like, okay, it's cute.
It's kind of cool.
It's
I haven't seen anything with it, and it literally fits me so well.
It does.
So,
it's good. It's a good one.
This is cute.
I also got a dress. This is a me dress for sure. One, because I love blue, and
I don't even hate it, to be honest.
It's like this same situation, kind of. It's like a silk slip dress. It like doesn't really have a cow neck, but it kind of like droops a little bit.
Yeah.
Florally blue pattern, and it feels good. Like,
ooh, it's like a thicker satin.
Yeah.
Instead of like a silk, if that makes sense.
Exactly. This
and
one
then
I
this.
love too.
I've been wanting a dress like this probably my whole life, but it's just a simple like flowy dress, and it's one of those that you could just throw on with sneakers and look so cute, or wear like a heel or a sandal.
And make it like more dressy. And then the last thing I got was this greenish bodysuit. It just has the like thin straps.
Yeah.
I know y'all have seen these everywhere because
she needs
been everywhere.
To be honest.
But I needed it. I don't have anything like this, and that is all that we got from Forever 21.
Honestly, decent purchases.
Pretty good. I'm happy with everything we both got, honestly.
Yeah.
H&M, I got this like black, like kind of bodycon dress, and it has this like white stitching look. I bought this to go to Miami, but then didn't, so it's kind of sad, but I kept it anyways.
And then I got this patent leather.
I just wish I would have gotten the other one.
Little backpack, because to be honest, I have hated the little backpack trend. I thought it was trashy. Really couldn't get behind it. And to be honest, I don't know if it's me, but the days where you want a bigger bag and don't want to carry like one of those like
large
purses, it's kind of nice. And I really like this material because like nothing really sticks to it, and like it's really easy to clean. I think it was like $34-$35, so that was from H&M.
Yeah. I like that. Bath and Body Works is also somewhere we're going today. We both got stuff.
They once again got us with the sale.
I was gonna say they were having another sale. Do I even need soap? Like literally no. I have a whole giant thing like this big at my apartment, like a refill soap. But I was like, you know, this smelled pretty good. It's called Lakeside Afternoon and I like the packaging. It looks kind of cute. And then I just got a hand sanitizer. Didn't need it, but I just saw it. And then I got these two wallflowers. She got the same ones. We got Fresh Cut Flowers and Rainforest Gardenia. I copied her, but you know.
I got 2 of each scent just because I know I love those.
Now we have Amazon. We got sent a few things to try out. So we're going to show you guys that as well.
Yeah. So I picked to get these copper mugs. I don't know if you can see it, but it comes in a set of 4. And it honestly comes with a good amount of stuff. It comes with 4 cups, 4 coasters, 4 copper straws, a copper shot glass, and a spoon.
I didn't know it came with all that.
Yeah.
Oh shoot, that's nice.
And I'm getting ready to move to my first like solo apartment, so just like having this kind of stuff was super nice and convenient. This is what it looks like, super chic.
It's
got the
very
nice
tiny and pretty.
like indentation, but I really like it because my brother and I's favorite drink to like kind of have together is like a Moscow Mule, and this is 100% copper, so it really enhances all the flavors, keeps it really cold, and just very aesthetically pleasing on my bar cart.
That's true. That's true. Kind of it's all about the aesthetic.
You know,
so I'm excited to see you style those on your bar cart.
I know, right?
I feel like you'll make it cute.
It'll
and
be good.
Even though I feel like not that it's rose gold, but I feel like it's a vibe, you know?
It is a vibe.
For the kitchen.
It's copper.
It is copper.
And you wouldn't want any other color.
That's
like,
true. Yeah.
Mug for your mule.
Right. It's a classic.
It's a classic.
I chose to get the water flosser, which might sound lame, but you guys don't be sleeping on dental hygiene.
I'm not. It's good.
First of all, I have had so many cavities in my life. It's not even funny. Like, it's embarrassing.
Really?
I'm not even going to tell you. It's embarrassing. I've had so many.
I didn't even know.
And my problem has always been flossing. My dentist always says, he's like, if you're going to do anything, like, don't brush your teeth and floss because that's more effective.
Wow.
And I was so bad about flossing, and now I'm religious about it because I've had so many cavities. So when I saw this, I was like, I need to get this.
Yeah.
Because it's faster, it's easier, it gets
better.
all the plaque, bacteria, food particles out of your system. It's like a pressure washer for your teeth. So why would you not want it? But it comes with like a bunch of these little different attachments.
Ooh.
So that you can like put them on there, really get in the different parts of your mouth. I know, so exciting. Charger, obviously, a long battery life. I think it said it lasts for like 2 weeks and several uses.
Yeah,
so
you don't even have to think about it.
You don't even have to charge it. And then it also came with these like just handheld like little like car
love
flossers, you know what I mean?
Love
so
those.
that's nice. I have really enjoyed having this because it helps a lot.
Yeah.
And it's also it's just easier and then getting in there with the real floss. So
it does a better job.
thank you so much, Amazon, for sending this to us.
Yeah,
And we'll link the stuff down below if you guys want to check it out and try it. Highly recommend.
Yeah. The next 2 things I got from Amazon, I've been trying to find these like really trendy but super versatile like little kitten heels, and I recently went to Miami, but I needed them in a short turnaround, so I looked on Amazon and I got the first pair.
I'm jealous.
These are so cute, you guys. They're like square-toed and they're like technically flip-flops, but they're heeled and they look so good on. Like I wore them recently for a pic and
they're cute.
And I wore them out one night and they're comfortable. Like my Adidas gave me blisters
and
these didn't.
Yeah.
And even with blisters from the Adidas, these were comfortable.
Yay. I'm jealous. I want those so bad.
I think they were cheap. We're gonna link everything down below for you guys.
We can,
but and then the other ones I haven't worn yet, but I used to have a pair like this, but they weren't as cool and trendy. And this is my first pair of like pointy toe.
I feel like it makes it classier and
it's
like
a little
older,
elevated,
like mature, you know?
I'll like insert a picture. They're basically just like strappy heels. They're another like way to dress up, like shorts, a skirt, whatever you got going on.
I'll do my Target. This is my last thing. I got 2 bathing suits and a pair of like sandals. So I haven't even showed you any of this
I haven't seen it.
So I got this white one. I've been talking about. I've been wanting it. It's like this
underwire, but it's got a scrunchy
top. I feel like these have been trendy and I've seen them everywhere, but I've been wanting it and I finally found it. So I got the top and then the bottoms to it, which I really like these bottoms because they're scrunchy. But they're scrunchy. And then I got this green one that that is this.
I feel bamboozled.
It's just like a neon green, just like triangle one. And it has like a texture. I don't know. It's not stripes because it's like. You see, you get it.
Sure.
The bottoms that just like go with it, you know?
Cute.
And they are like high rise, or not high rise, but like high.
They're high waist.
High side. High side. I don't know. You know what I'm saying.
Yeah.
And then I got these sandals, which I thought were ugly, and then after further consideration, I thought they're cute. They were only like $20. They're just like these slip-on ones. And I've seen these like with the puffy thick straps everywhere, and I like these because they're like several like crisscross instead of just the two fat ones that like cross.
I got this bodysuit. It's like just like I think it looks darker on camera, but it's like a nice light tan caramel color, like darker than my skin tone, obviously, but not brown.
Yeah.
And it's from Skims.
I'm jealous.
They had a sale recently. It didn't have everything in it, but I just have been really wanting to try some of their bodysuits and just like basics. And I just feel like you can't go wrong with a good bodysuit. And it is more of like a cottony material. Not mad at the investment. And then the last thing I got was this hydro flask. It's this super pretty yellow. I've been kind of into the yellow recently. Don't know what's up.
I like it.
And y'all should already know, but straw lid's game changer.
Yeah,
I think
it is.
that's really it.
That's gonna be all for today's video. Hope you guys enjoyed, and we'll catch you in another video very soon. Bye.